Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, a death quest again for the second day in a row. I'm also at bronze 2. Let's go ahead and claim the reward. I didn't get to battle much at all today. I was on the road at 5:30 this morning, and I'm just getting back. So this is going to be a quick video, update you on the information, and trying to lay out a little bit of make it faster moving, more sleeker version of the daily video. Okay, I got a potion that will go into my pile because remember, I'm not buying packs anymore. I'm buying directly into the market, and I got that results too. There's my rentals for the day, 225 DEC, and I will later on buy some more cards. But let's go look at the numbers because that's what I want to show you why I changed my strategy. This is not financial advice. This is my own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And please like and subscribe and join in any of the links below. Splinterlands link below will get you signed up for free. And if you buy the $10 spell book, then it opens up the entire platform to you. But you can play the game for free before you do that. Real quick, YouTube comments from Eric M. back yesterday, maybe the day before. Dude, Kevin, you got to use the Hive keychain. It makes your life so much easier for managing your Hive keys. I haven't actually entered a key in months. That's true, and I know what you're talking about, and I appreciate the comment. But for extra security, I don't mind doing it, and I did it a lot yesterday, as you're about to see in a second, because I bought a lot. Yeah, it's just, I know you're right, but I do like using it. It also helps me keep up from messing the pricing on the renting and the selling, because if it doesn't do that for me, sometimes I might be renting it out when I'm actually on selling, and that's just me personally. But you're absolutely right. If you use the Hive keychain, you don't have to do that every single time that you make a purchase. Let's go to what was the new one that I was going to show you right here. Okay, I'm going to do this every day. Yesterday, we had 963 signups. We sold 66 spell books. I say we like I'm a part of Splinterlands, but we're all family, but that's what they did. Now, that 66 is not necessarily out of that 963. That's just how many spell books they sold. So that could have been from people who signed up months ago and just started playing, or whatever it might be. But that's how many we sold. Players 339,455, market cap 149.5 million. Cards purchased 112,927. That's actually a low number, but that's still a lot. SPS yesterday was 11.4 cents. DEC for 100 of them will get you 14.7 cents. Now here's I put the $10 in like I do every single other day, and all these I highlighted it and pasted it. But here's what I want to show you is right here. Where is that baby? Creeping ooze. Right in here. Okay. This is where I spent all my money. I bought the creeping ooze. I think it was $1.50. Okay. Then for $7.60, I bought the Pellicer Deceiver maxed out with 407 cards. Okay. Right there. 407 cards in the box. Now, that was the cheapest. There were actually more expensive ones at 400 in the box. And why would anybody put more cards in the box? More because once it's maxed out, it doesn't add any power to the card, but it does add power points. So I went ahead and bought. I'd rather have 407 cards instead of 400, especially since it was like 50 cents more expensive for that one. Now, they might have done that by accident, or they did it on purpose, because some of them they were selling had like 800 cards in the box. So why are they doing that? The reason they're doing that is because they're going to rent them or sell them for so that it adds to your power, which I'm going to show you the collection power score. And right now that's helping on SPS, among other things. Where's it at? Let's go back. Splinterlands 10,000. So anyway, here's the rules I go by. Um, it's day 120, and with today's $10, I'm at 724. Okay, and I'll go slow on this list. This is all the data. February 7th when I started keeping record and recording this video. So I've been doing it since the beginning of January, and my goal is to get to 10,000 by the end or the beginning of next year. So today, the price is kind of stabilized. It's still been all over the place. I just saw it down to 730 or 730, and I saw it at 790 and 770s when I wrote this down. 137 cards, 36, 38 in the box. But look at my power, how it jumps. Okay. Look at how every other day it's jumping 4,000 points. That's huge. This is what gets me SPS right now too, as well as other things. So $93 value on the free SPS that's given out. So profit right now, it went down though because I added the $10, was $140 if I walk away today. That's after I pay myself back to 724. So not a bad at all. For as bad as things are, I'm still showing a profit. And that's absolutely mind blowing. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'm going to do the from now on. Or did I? Yeah, I already showed you the statistics. I'm going to update that every day. Then we'll do the rewards. I'm going to eventually get back to the packs when they see. Here's the peak monsters. Let's see what that's gone up to. That's at 761. Yeah, it's just all over the place. 224 DEC a day in rentals. Not bad to start off. That's 48% return I'm getting on them cards, which is incredible. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll get back to the packs when the cards go up in value because I was only getting like 50 cents average value, and that was just killing my numbers. And I'm better off right now directly buying from the market because I can get what cards I want. And right now, you're getting max out common reward cards for under $10 when you can get them because they sell out pretty quick when they list them. That's incredible. That's 400 cards in there, 400 NFTs that have been burnt to build that card. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a nice night.